What's up, YouTube? So first things first, this video is for people who are maybe scrapping a car and want to get the most value out of it. Not for stealing catalytic converters. With that being said, to get to the catalytic converter, you got to get under the car first. To get under it, you're going to need to lift it. If you don't know how to lift a car, then you should definitely think twice about being underneath one. But if you need to know where to jack one up, here's a video for that. Alright, so the heat shield for the exhaust manifold needs to come off first. If you walk in the hood, it's right here. There's one nut right here. One right here. And another one right here. These three nuts should be every mechanic's favorite. 10 millimeter. If your 2007 Suzuki was also made in 2007, then these are probably covered in rust. So you can either hit it till you break it loose and punch the engine and have some bloody knuckles, or you could hit it with some of God's lube. Stuff is amazing. Work smart, not hard. Alright, I recommend get a screwdriver with a swivel tip. See how mine bends? Came off. Alright, I got the first two off on the top. To get this third one off, I'm going to eventually need to take this off. Might as well do it now to get this third one off first. This is your oxygen sensor right here. Disconnect it. Right here. Yeah, you should be able to figure out. Just lift these tabs up and it disconnects. This oxygen sensor right here. Unscrew it like that. Now I can take off the last nut. There you go. Heat shield off. And there's how you get to your catalytic converter right here. Boom. These three nuts down here. 15 millimeter. You're gonna need a lot of WD-40. So you could break your hands trying to get this off, or you could get a 15 millimeter on a drill. Lots of WD-40. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, now that you got it disconnected from the top, come back underneath. First, we're going to remove this oxygen sensor right here. And then way back there. And of course, just to be difficult, this one's a 13 mil. Alright, sorry I couldn't show you me take these nuts off. I got attacked by ants, so I just had to hurry. Once you're down here, you take nuts off. There's one on the back side there, one on the top, one right there, and one on the top. You might as well take all four off while you're down here. And then once you do that, this mofo should just come out. Takes a little bit of finesse. Let me put this. Alright, the good news is you made it this far and you haven't given up. That was the easy part. Because the other side of it is, what the hell, down there. Oh, ants. Still getting bit. Alright. I think it's time for a beer and a shower. Finish this up tomorrow. Alright, this backside is just like the front side, only in a way more inconvenient place. I don't know if you can see it there. Hold on. Let's change the focus. I don't think I'm going to be able to hold this and show you, but it's the same thing. There's a reason I chose the side I chose first. So that way you could have a clue about this backside when I don't show you. So last night I said, oh shit, I'm gonna wait for daylight to do this. It doesn't matter if it's daylight or not. Pretty much gonna need to do this with your eyes closed. You don't have to close your eyes, you just have to be able to feel real well. There you go, that's half of it. 3 more nuts. Woo! Had a long day at work. Come home to do some more work. Take the time to appreciate stuff like this. Out here working in the rain. If I just fell out, because I already undid the exhaust side nuts while I was under there. Whew. And there you go. And that's what a catalytic converter looks like on a Suzuki when it's pulled out without a saw. I recommend that if you're going to do this, so that way you don't have to answer any questions from the police at the recycle shop. There you go. Should be worth it at least a few $100 for you.